Very good morning, my dear friends. Welcome to our presentation. Let us discuss the totality of the symptoms. The removal of the totality of the symptoms means the removal of the cause described by stalwart Dr. J.T. Kent in chapter number 12. The removal of the totality of the symptoms is actually the removal of the cause. Since cause continues into ultimates and things in ultimate shadow forth cause, the removal of all the symptoms will lead to assume that the cause has been removed. Again, in continuation, unless causes are removed from beginning to end, the disease can reproduce itself. Permanent removal of the totality of symptoms removes the cause and turns disorders into order, and as a consequence, the results of the sole aim of the physicians who knows the true object of his mission consists not in loud sounding parting but in giving aid to the sick. The doctrines of homeopathy should not be clouded in technicalities but should be considered and talked out in the simplest form of speech. The totality of the symptoms is considered to be all that is essential the disease. Number 2, all that is visible and represents the disease in the natural world to the eye, the touch and external understanding of the man. Number 3, the totality of symptoms is all that enables the physician to individualize between diseases and between remedies. Totality of symptoms are the entire representation of the disease. The entire representation of the drug also. Number 6, totality of symptoms brings to the mind a clear idea of the nature of the sickness. Number 7, totality of symptoms is the sole indication in the choice of remedy. Then the totality of symptom is the sum of all symptoms in each individual case of disease must be the sole indication, the sole guide to direct us in the choice of a remedy. Totality of symptoms must be capable of effecting changes in the economy, or they cannot restore order in the economy. If the medicine is too high to effect a disturbance in an irregularly governed economy, it will be too high to effect a cure in that economy. The effect that medicines have upon the sick in the restoring order can best be observed by inducing the effects upon healthy individuals. Every medicine that a homeopath uses should be thoroughly proven upon the healthy so that its symptom image shall have been thoroughly brought out. Thank you very much for patience listening.